how to fix voice recognition errors on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's find and select the settings button located at the upper right corner. Then from the following list, let's select here the sound and tones. Now you've got access to those three sections. Select here the last one, which is system voice. Then you've got here access to best match list. It's right here, number 3. Let's just tap it. So here you can enable phone book and music commands, and when enabled, if the system is unsure of what you said, for example name in your phone book, it will display a pop-up list of the top closely matched options on screen for you to tap rather than failing the prompt or selecting the wrong choice automatically. So I think it's quite nice, so I will leave it enabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.